Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So yesterday we went through $1,000 worth of $2 coins, and what we have on the screen is what we actually found. So let's just go through those. So we've got two of the 2011 $2 coins, as you can see there. Those two. We've also got a gold poppy. We managed to find 6 in the Mr. Squiggles series. It's a 1999 double rim. It's fairly good double rim. A fair portion of the way around that coin, so we kept that as an error coin. We've got 2 Possum Magic coins, 2 of the changeover coins from 2016, and a 2018 Commonwealth Games coin, and a 2014 Green Remembrance coin. So we did alright, and so what the purpose of today is to, okay, let's make the assumption that we are selling each of these coins. We've just found them. Okay, let's see what they're actually worth and what sort of profit we can make. So what I've gone and done is I've created an Excel spreadsheet. So here we've got each of the coins that I've listed, the number of them that we have found, and we're going to fill in this section here, which will tell us, including postage, what we're actually selling them for. That'll multiply it into here. We've allowed for postage to be removed from our value price, which is per item. So here we've got 6 Mr. Squiggle coins, assuming that we sell each individually. We post them individually. There's a $1 postage minimum. We've also allowed for eBay and PayPal fees of around 14%, and that'll show us our profit and our profit at the end of once we've got all the figures in. So based on a 500 coin, $1,000 coin roll hunt. Obviously, every coin roll hunt's going to be different, but this was the test, and we'll go through and see what values we put in here. So we'll head from 2019 backwards down to the 1999 coin. Alright, so I've gone and filled out our information into eBay here, and so we can see exactly and go through and find what we think an individual coin is worth. So we've got to sort of play it a little bit sensitive here because we've got uncirculated coins, and technically the coins that I've found are circulated, but they're in a high grade and there really isn't that much difference between the two right now in relation to these particular coins. So here we can see that they're selling for $4 to $5 here, including postage. Another $4.55 there. Another $4 plus $1.50 postage. A $5.50 plus $2.50 postage. And so I think we're probably safe to say, let's probably be a little bit conservative. We're probably safe to say around that $5, $5.50, including postage. So if we go back to our spreadsheet and we fill in here $5.50, we will see there that we've made a profit if we sell each and every one of them. So we'll go through these, we'll fill in all these, and we'll actually see what this number turns out to be based on finding and selling straight away. Alright, so let's jump onto the 2018 Commonwealth Games coin. So here we have some here that have recently sold on eBay, and we can see here $4. That one there is in a capsule for $9, another $4 one. $3.50 plus $1.40, so we're close to the $5 range there. $4.50 sort of dollars. So I think based on that, these guys were selling them for $7 each, so $5. I think we're safe to say around that $5 mark, including postage on that coin. Alright, let's move on to the possum magic coin. So okay, we got here for a $6, another, there's a 5, there's another 5, 5, 4, 3.69. There's a $4.70, $5, $5, $5.50, $5, $6, $6, close to $6, $5 plus $2, so that's $7 there. There's another $4.50 there, so $6. So they're uncirculated. So let's say it's going to be around that $5 mark as well, including postage. So let's chuck $5 in for that one there, and let's move on to the $2 changeover coins. So I've been scrolling through this a little bit just to sort of see what was going on. When you type in changeover, you do get a few different results popping up. So that's uncirculated. That's uncirculated. Here's a circulated one for $5, $6.45. Kind of surprises me. This would be a circulated one as well, I'd say, for around $6 to $7. Another one around at $6 circulated. Alright, I think we're fairly safe to say around that $6 mark is where they are in circulated condition. Obviously a higher grade, the better, but let's put in $6 for that one there. Now the 2014 green poppy. Oh, sorry, green Remembrance Day coin. Okay, so we got, here's a circulated one for $5. This one that I found is actually in very high grade, almost uncirculated, but it's a very tough coin to find no matter what. So there's another one, $5.25, circulated, that's $10 right there. That's another sort of $8 there. It doesn't say uncirculated, but that's uncirculated. I would say that one there would be a circulated one. So we're getting up around that sort of $8 range, including postage, for a decent grade one. So, alright, let's pop $8 in. Now the gold poppies, let's have a look at those guys. Uncirculated, $13, $15. These things are starting to climb all of a sudden. This is sort of caught me by surprise a little bit if they're getting that kind of dollar. That one's cheap. Okay, here's another one for $13. It's 2 coins. $6 there for that one. There's a $3.25. That's circulated for $26.50. That's crazy. Another $5 one, $5, $5.25, $5. Yep. All right. I think we're safe to say $5 per coin, but there certainly seems to be a lot more value if they're uncirculated. Alright, the 2011 Aboriginal Eldon, and we found 2 of those. Let's go and see how they're going. There's one there for $10, $11 almost. What's that? There's another one there for $10 to $11. That's a 10-cent coin. $8. There's some more. That's only $5, $8, $9, $9, Alright, I think we're fairly safe to put in around $9.50 for that one. We'll sort of split the difference, I reckon. $9.50. Now we've got one more coin left, which is the Rimcut coin. Now there was only a few to look at here. So, not Rimcut, sorry, the double rim error coin. So I've typed in 1999 and we've got 3 results here. Now if we look at these, we've got $6 plus $1.50. We've got $17.25 free postage. So that was a buy it now. And this one here was a bid, but they charged a lot of postage. So that's still around the $10.50, $7. Let's put it around that $10 mark, including postage. I think it's probably a fair amount based on what we can see there. So let's have a look. So after all postage has come out, after we've paid our fees to eBay, we end up with a profit of $55.72. Now we've removed the cost of the coin as well in this. So the cost of the coin, the $2 per coin, has been removed, and we end up with a profit of $55.72 based on what we can see right now on eBay, based on the coins we found last night. So that's a great little return from really what was probably maybe 20 minutes to half an hour sort of going through coins. It's obviously a bit of time still to be put in of actually selling the actual coins. But yeah, I think that this little test has been fairly profitable, and it really does depend on what coin you find. But yeah, maybe we should do this with a few other coins moving forward. But for today, $55.72. I'd be quite happy if I could sell each of those coins every single time and make that kind of return. Alright guys, hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments. Really love to hear your feedback on this particular look, and maybe we can do a few different $2 coin roll hunts and see how they go. Alright guys, really enjoyed producing this video, and I look forward to doing many more of these. Alright guys, thanks for watching.